The Udalguri district, which falls under the Bodoland Territorial Council areas, remained one of the prime focus in the meeting of Council of Ministers of Assam on Thursday. The BTC had been eyeing a council polls while approving a setting up of the Assam Skilled University at Darang district. The state cabinet approved the Assam Skilled University bill. It also decided to complete the long-pending Danshri irrigation project in the district. Here's a report. The Assam Cabinet on Thursday approved the Assam Skill Development University Bill for setting up a state-of-the-art skilled university at Mangaldoy in the Darang district. The university will be set up on a 100-bigha plot with an expense of Rs 900 crore. Assam Industries Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari said the university, which will be a centre of excellence, would be set up with financial assistance from the Asian Development Bank. We had inked a memorandum of understanding recently with the Singapore government for training resource persons of the university in that country. This will be one of the most modern institutions in the country, Patwari told reporters. The state cabinet also gave its approval to complete the long-pending Danshri irrigation project in Udalguri district, a project that was launched in 1975 with a credit of Rs 116 crore from the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The other key decisions of the cabinet include approval of the Assam Heritage Protections and Preservation Bill, increase of the upper age limit for Group 3 and Group 4 post for 2 years so that unemployed youths can apply for jobs up to 40 years. Insurance to the tune of Rs 50 lakh to journalists, home guards and all casual employees who succumb to COVID-19 while performing their duties. The cabinet also approved the Arunodoy scheme for giving financial assistance to families with an annual income below Rs 2 lakh, besides giving its nod to amendment of the Assam MSME Bill. The Udalguri district, which falls under the Bodoland Territorial Council areas, also remained one of the prime focuses in the meeting of the Council of Ministers of Assam on Thursday. The BTC had been eyeing at a council polls. As per sources, the BTC polls are likely to be held in September-October. The BTC poll was earlier slated for April 4th and it was postponed indefinitely in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Bodoland Territorial Council has 46 members. Bureau Report.